In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Etsy with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your Etsy shop connected so orders, fees, and payouts can flow into your books with far less manual work. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks online company and that you have permission to connect apps. It also helps to allow pop-ups in your browser since a new window will open during the process. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and landing on your main dashboard. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for the integrations icon. This is where QuickBooks centralizes connections to third-party tools. Click that icon to open the integrations panel, then choose the option to find integrations. This will take you to the area where you can search for official connectors. Use the search bar and type Etsy. From the results, select Etsy connector by Intuit. Choosing the official connector helps ensure smoother authorization, better support, and alignment with QuickBooks' data formats. On the app page, take a quick moment to review what the connector syncs and any notes about pricing or permissions so there are no surprises later. Click Get Integration Now to start the setup. You may see a prompt asking you to confirm which QuickBooks company you want to connect. If so, double-check you're linking the right one, especially if you manage multiple companies. Continue through the on-screen prompts to approve the connection. Next, you'll connect your accounts. Click Continue when prompted. At this stage, a new window should open to guide you through Etsy authorization. If nothing appears, your browser likely blocked a pop-up. Just allow pop-ups for QuickBooks and try again. In the new window, sign in to your Etsy shop and grant the requested permissions so the connector can access your sales fees and related data. If you have more than one Etsy shop under the same login, be sure to pick the specific shop you want tied to this QuickBooks company. From here, simply follow the prompts to finalize the connection. You'll typically be asked to confirm a start date for syncing orders and to map key details like which income account sales should post to, where to record Etsy fees, how to handle taxes and shipping, and which bank or clearing account should receive Etsy deposits. Take your time with these choices. Good mapping save cleanup later. Once connected, the initial sync may take a little while. After it completes, spot check a few recent orders and deposits in QuickBooks to make sure everything lands where you expect. You can revisit the connector settings anytime to adjust mappings or the sync window. That's it, your Etsy shop is now integrated with QuickBooks.